Hi and welcome to St David's Maths Department. I'm just going to talk you through this PowerPoint presentation about what we offer, expectations, how the course runs and who we are. So first of all, meet the team. That's me, Mrs Williams, the head of maths here, and we have Mr Marsden, Mr Hales and Mrs James, all very experienced maths lecturers. So the first thing, you're obviously very interested in mathematics, you're enjoying it at school. So first of all, I want to mention the careers. So maths opens so many doors to so many different jobs. As you can see there, some of the ones you would know off by heart, really: accountancy, teaching, so they're the ones that people have mentioned before, but additional ones: cryptologist, architecture, statistician, financial advisor, engineering, so many areas of engineering, aerospace, genetic engineering, chemical engineering. So this is something that you may want to look into as well, see what interests you. But maths does set up so many opportunities. So we offer AS and A2 mathematics. So that was over 2 years. You'd sit AS modules at the end of the first year and A2 modules at the end of the second year. And the emphasis for this course is on using and applying mathematics. So understanding the relationship between real world problems and mathematical models. A2 then extends on that and develops your understanding and building that beyond what you've learned from GCSE and A-level, the world of work and society in general. So you can choose to do the mathematics, the single mathematics or double mathematics. Single mathematics is what I've just been mentioning. 2 units in the first year. Unit 1 is your pure course, so algebra, differentiation, integration, and Unit 2 is the one that involves your mechanics and your statistics and kinematics, forces, and then your statistics has got your probability, data handling, and so on. No coursework for maths. The exams are sat in the summer of year 1 for this. You've got Unit 1 is worth 25%, and then Unit 2 is worth 15% of your overall A-level. So that means your AS is worth 40% than in year 1. A calculator is needed for both of these exams. There are now no non-calculator papers. Second year, Unit 3, which is still the pure maths, developing the differentiation, integration, trig, and so on. Unit 4, mechanics and statistics again, but building on that, looking at differential equations, moments, and then with the statistics, you're looking at hypothesis testing. Again, no coursework. Both exams are papers taken in the summer of the second year. Unit 3 is worth 35% and Unit 4 is worth 25%, which makes up your 100% over the 2 years. And again, calculator needed for both. If you wanted to do double maths, that means doing 2 A-levels over the 2 years. The first year is completing your A-level in mathematics, so you would have an A-level at the end of year 1. You then go on to do your further maths A-level in the second year, providing that you've achieved a C grade in all of your modules at A-level. Okay, so that's the one thing that we do say, that anything lower than C grades in any of the modules means you would struggle with further mathematics in the second year. And then if you're planning on taking a maths related degree, so for example, if you wanted to take maths A-level, or if you wanted to go to some of the top universities, Oxford, Cambridge and so on, having your further maths is absolutely crucial. Okay, so this is the further maths modules. Further AS, you've got complex numbers, you do more statistics and mechanics, and then Unit 4, like complex numbers again, but matrices, De Moivre's theorem. And then we get to choose your Unit 5 or Unit 6. You can either build on your statistics or we build on the mechanics. This gets decided as the year goes on. The way we teach is from booklets. You will be issued with all of these booklets. You have folders, you write on lined paper, you provide yourself, but we do all the examples. We've got lots of past paper questions. All of these have been put together for your understanding. And then assessments. So there's ongoing assessments, sort of weekly, fortnightly. And then you can see an example here of our first one when we're looking at indices, surds and quadratics. So they're taken from past paper exam questions, just to make sure that your understanding and your exam experience, your understanding of past paper questions is developing as the year goes on. Okay, so how are you going to get onto our course? Well, the entry requirements, you need a minimum of a B grade at GCSE maths in both maths and the numeracy. They must be done at higher tier. If you can get both of those grades, you are able to do mathematics, AS and A2. If you're looking at doing the double maths and then the further maths with us, you will need a minimum of an A grade in GCSE mathematics and a B grade at GCSE numeracy. Again, both of these need to be done at higher tier. Intermediate tier does not cover enough of the foundations that you would need to go on to do A level. Okay, other things that we do in the department, we have a lot of speakers that come in. We do trips to universities, we've got maths trips and UKMT. You may have seen UKMT already in school, the intermediate maths challenge. We now do the senior one. These are the examples of talks we've had. So Cardiff University, we liaise with them a lot. So Dr. Jonathan Thompson came in and gave about a zombie apocalypse talk. And Dr. Vincent Knight, also from Cardiff University, came in and had a look at teaching us about applications of computer tournament, looking at the maths behind that and linking it to economics and biology as well. So STEM conference, another one we go to at Cardiff Uni to help look at STEM beyond the curriculum, so additional information and looking at the university environment as well. It's nice to go and see Cardiff Uni without it being an open day. This is sort of more specific to science and maths. So every year we take part on the University of South Wales Maths Pop Quiz. We take a team across there. So we do have a few trophies in our maths rooms from times we've won a position first, second or third. So that is one we really enjoy every year. So this one, extracurricular activities that we've got is the lectures that they do at the Welsh College Music and Drama. We like going down there and watching those. We also take part in the UKMT Senior Individual and Team Challenge, and this year we've done the Girls Olympiad competition too. We also support students with math step testing, looking at going if you want to apply to Oxford or Cambridge or any other university that requires an entrance exam. We're there to help you. So extra things you could be doing. You love maths, there's some books, great books we can recommend. Alex's Adventures in Numberland, 17 Equations That Change the World, How Not to Be Wrong. They're really enjoyable books for you. And last but not least, we just want to wish you a huge good luck from us for your summer exams. Just remember, hard work does pay off, and we look forward to seeing you next September.